And a good day, everyone. It's time for weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. We have blizzard conditions that started late last night, and this is the latest watches and warnings map now. And as you can see where all of the orange is, this is blizzard conditions. Blizzard conditions, people. If you're traveling in that area, be aware of it. It's all because of this vigorous upper level low that's pushing through and pushing across the Central Plains. And it is also accompanied by a surface low. That makes it even worse. It's going to move into the middle Mississippi Valley this afternoon. Now, heavy to significant snowfall is expected in parts of the Central Plains and Missouri River Valley today. Now, they're moving into the upper Great Lakes by this evening and Monday. And let me tell you, yesterday when I showed you those snow possibility levels, and I said some had 8 and higher, but I didn't really want to go with that, but I've got to now because this swath of snow has 10 plus inches of snowfall totals. They're expected, okay? Particularly in the eastern Iowa and western Illinois area. I was correct about where I thought the heaviest was going to happen. Now, in addition to all the heavy snow, we got strong winds, as you can see right in here. We've got winds right in here. Very, very high, up to 60, gusting some to 80 miles per hour. This is also wind advisories here coming down from New Mexico, going through Texas, Oklahoma, right on up to Arkansas, and parts of Missouri, Illinois, Tennessee, right on up. As you can see, they even stretch as far as Ohio. Also, these windy conditions with those heavy snow, this system is resulting in blizzard conditions. That's what's making it be blizzard conditions and very dangerous travel conditions. So please, please be safe if you're out and about. Here's all the heavy snow. This is blizzard conditions where you see the pink X'd out right in here. Winter storm warning, not watches, but warnings. All of the blue up in here is winter weather advisory watches for this storm coming in with winter weather. Where you see the gray this morning, this is fog, 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 okay? And we have these 3 little lighter blues over in the Colorado area right here. These are avalanche warnings. They go out this morning, okay? These warnings go out, I believe it's around 8 or 9 this morning. So be aware of that too. Just a miss. What do we have? Now, as you can see, at the top, this is the 24-hour probability of snow accumulating to 8 inches. This will be 8 inches or more, okay? But 8 inches is a safe number to go by. It's what it's looking like. The possibility could be in these areas, and this is valid for the 24-hour period ending at 12 UTC Monday, tomorrow, November 26th. And where the blue is, that's where you have the greatest chance, especially the light blue. The light blue. Okay, you have like a 70, almost 80% chance you're going to get 8 inches or more of snow. Now, of course, that's up around the Chicago area, and Illinois is in that band. Also, the darker shades as it gets down in the blue, that's still high. It's anywhere from 40 to 70, possibly 80% chance that you can get 8 inches plus of snow by midnight Monday, tomorrow. We'll move it along. Here we go. This is 18 UTC Monday. You can see it's beginning these bands of 8 inches to shrink some in size, but still, if you are in parts of Illinois, northern Illinois, be aware. Michigan, get right. You got some snow coming too. And by Tuesday at midnight, it shrinks even more. It shrinks even more. So that is a good thing. Now we're going to lower the inches that may accumulate down to 4 for Tuesday at 6 UTC. And as you can see it moving through, once again, the graph is to the left. You can see it for yourself. Here we go. Parts of Indiana still getting some snow, but not as much. It's moving on up and out. If you are in Michigan, you got a good chance of 4 inches. I'd say 2 to 4 inches everywhere up north of there in that blue. So be aware of it, okay? You can see it's beginning to move closer to the north and east, okay? We've got some snow chances. They're slim, about 20 to 30% in New York and Vermont, New Hampshire. Moving on over into Maine. We'll track it up one more day and see how it's going. Now, wow, we're in the 80 to 90% range for a little place in Maine. Not a huge place. It's moving on up and out though over into Canada, and it will move out to sea. Over to the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, we do see this rain system down around Texas and Louisiana. Well, it's going to keep moving easterly today. We see all the storms here moving off the coast, but this little system right here is going to bring the chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms over portions of the southeastern sections of Louisiana and to coastal Mississippi, Alabama, and the western Florida panhandle today. So you guys in those areas could have a chance of some severe thunderstorms. So I wanted to bring that to your attention right quickly also. Now, as we turn the map on, the heavy rainfall that did impact the mid-Atlantic yesterday, it has shifted to the northeast early this morning, and during the day today, the surface low that was moving along the mid-Atlantic coast, it's expected to move farther east, as you can see, into the Atlantic Ocean. Now, this is taper off precipitation across New England later this morning and into the afternoon. However, some ice accumulations are possible this morning in parts of New Hampshire and Maine, which currently have winter weather advisories, as we saw on the watch and warning map. Now, by late tonight and early tomorrow morning, New England will be dry. Yes, you're going to dry out. And this will be temporary, as another system will move toward the east coast tomorrow, bringing another round of showers to the mid-Atlantic and northeast tomorrow night. Early into Tuesday, as I showed you, that snow will affect you. Now, the Pacific Northwest, you can expect a dry second half of the weekend. That's right. Today, going into the first of the work week, a strong upper level trough and a surface front will approach the region by tomorrow. Light showers will begin for you guys sometime tomorrow morning before lunch, with an increase in coverage of showers and higher elevation snow by tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. Now, this precipitation is going to stretch down into Northern California by Tuesday, and it is expected to continue beyond Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, possibly Thursday. We'll have to wait and see if it picks up in speed. Temperatures are going to remain well above normal in the Ohio Valley today, and also about 5 degrees above normal across the southeast and into the mid-Atlantic. As a strong cold front sweeps across the central U.S., high temperatures will be nearly 20 degrees below average in these places that are getting snow. Cold, cold, cold. By tomorrow, the colder conditions will move eastward, as we've seen the snow pattern and how it's moving across the Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley. And Tuesday, the East Coast will experience below normal temperatures. All that cold is headed over to me and up in New England. Now, the western U.S., you can expect above average through Monday, possibly Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Click the bell and check off the email notifications to ensure you get all the latest in weather news. I'd appreciate that so much. Everybody, I love you all so much. I hope you all can join me this afternoon for the premiere of the winter weather forecast, what the winter should be like for December, January, and February. If you haven't done that, please go to that video, click the reminder so you'll get a reminder. For all of you still traveling, God bless you. Please be safe, because it's a mess if you're in this area where the snow is pounding down, okay? Much love, peace, and kindness to each of you. Thank you so much for watching.